Palace of Yogyakarta, is the seat of the reigning Sultan of Yogyakarta and his family. The complex is a center of Javanese culture, and contains a museum displaying royal artifacts. It is guarded by the Yogyakarta Kraton Guards. The complex was built in 1755 by the first Sultan of Yogyakarta. The palace layout followed the basic design of the old city of Yogyakarta. The Palace of Yogyakarta is a grand complex that was meticulously planned to reflect the Javanese cosmos. This elegant complex of pavilions was built based on ancient beliefs of the connection between the god, human and the natural realms. Each feature holds a special symbolic meaning, related to the Javanese worldview, who considers the importance of Mount Merapi, and the Indian Ocean. This palace was designed to be more than just a royal residence. It was built to be a focal point of the Sultan's entire kingdom. The Javanese gamelan is an orchestra of 60-plus musical instruments, bronze gongs and metallophones, drums, wooden flute, and two-stringed fiddle, which together create a rich, distinctive sound. The gamelan is the traditional orchestra of Java, Indonesia, where it plays an integral role, alongside dance and various forms of theater, in the cultural life of the people. Wayang is a traditional form of puppet theater play, originating from the Indonesian island of Java. Performances of Wayang puppet theater are accompanied by a gamelan orchestra in Java. The dramatic stories depict mythologies, such as episodes from the Hindu epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata.